Today, I'm taking a deep dive into TabTrader, a well-known crypto trading bot that allows users to manage their portfolios and execute trades across multiple exchanges from a single platform. Right from the start, TabTrader stands out with its user-friendly interface, providing real-time charts, alerts, and automated trading features that cater to both beginners and experienced traders. The app integrates with popular cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, Coinbase Pro, and more, allowing seamless trade execution without constantly switching between platforms. One of the biggest advantages is that TabTrader consolidates all market data in one place, making analysis much more convenient. The real-time charting tools are highly responsive, with multiple indicators that traders can customize to suit their strategy. Navigating through the app is smooth, and the layout is intuitive. Users can set up price alerts to get notified when a particular asset reaches a specified price. This is an essential feature for those who don't want to miss out on trading opportunities. Additionally, TabTrader allows for placing market, limit, and stop orders directly through the app, streamlining the trading process. Security is a top concern when using any trading tool, and TabTrader addresses this by not storing user funds or requiring API keys to be stored on their servers. Instead, users connect their exchange accounts via API, maintaining control over their assets while benefiting from the platform's trading capabilities. However, it's always recommended to use strong security measures, such as enabling two-factor authentication on your exchange accounts. Another key feature of TabTrader is its advanced charting system. Traders can utilize multiple indicators, such as moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and RSI, to make informed trading decisions. The app also supports a dark mode, making it easier on the eyes during extended trading sessions. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking at the video. The free version of TabTrader comes with some limitations, including ads and fewer alerts, while the Pro version unlocks additional features, like an ad-free experience and more alert options. Depending on your trading needs, upgrading to the Pro version might be worth considering. TabTrader is available on both mobile and desktop, making it accessible for traders on the go. The mobile app is particularly well optimized, providing a seamless experience without lag, which is crucial for executing timely trades. One downside is that the platform does not yet support direct fiat deposits or withdrawals. Users must still rely on their exchanges for such transactions. Additionally, while the app integrates with multiple exchanges, not all features are available for every supported exchange, so users should check compatibility before fully committing. Overall, TabTrader is a solid choice for crypto traders looking for an all-in-one trading solution. With its easy-to-use interface, advanced charting tools, and seamless exchange integration, it provides a convenient way to manage trades efficiently. However, the limitations of the free version and the reliance on exchange API connections might not be ideal for everyone. If you're interested in automated crypto trading and want a tool that simplifies market tracking, TabTrader is definitely worth trying. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you use TabTrader, or do you prefer another trading bot? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto-related reviews and insights.